Hey, so in this video, I'll be generating personalized emails by using AI right inside Google Sheets. For that, I'll be using this custom scripts from Inverted Stone, and in this case, I'll be using this Google Sheets plus OpenAI script, but you can also use Google Sheets plus Gemini Pro API, whatever works for you. I have already got the script and I have already pasted the script here inside app script. If you see, it's already there, and I have also prepared this settings sheet. I have already copy pasted everything, so let's get to it. First of all, I have to write the prompt which I have already written. If you see, John Doe, CEO at Inverterstone, is hosting an event for the launch of our product, this D2. D2 is the product name which comes from here. And for C2, for partnership opportunity, we want to invite A2, which is Alice Johnson, for a meeting on is like E2 is date, at F2, which is the meeting time. Write a very short and crisp email body for that. Do not wrap the output in quotes and do not provide any extra information apart from what I asked. So this is the prompt, and if I drag it down, it will generate the prompts for all the rows, as you can see, right? And now let's move to the next step. For that, I have to go to the settings sheet, and first of all, you'll need your OpenAI API, which I have already pasted. You can get the API from here by clicking here. Then you have to select the GPT model. In this case, I'm using the GPT-4 Turbo, so which is selected already. The temperature is 0. 0.7, so whatever works for you. If you want more creative outputs, then you may increase the temperature. Max token, since this is the output needs to be very short, I will just put it maybe 500. Start processing from row. In this case, I want to start processing from the row 2 till the row 11. So I will just write a start processing from row 2 and then process until row 11. The data sheet name, in this case the data sheet name is data, as you can see here. So I'll just write data and then prompt columns and then output columns. In this case, we have only one prompt column, which is G, and the output column is H. So I'll just write G and then H. If you want, you can uh, edit this system prompt as well, but in this case we'll just leave it as it is, and everything is ready. You just have to come here and then click on this fetch GPT data, and it should start generating the outputs. By the way, if you are running it for the very first time, it will ask you for some authentication. You just have to move forward with it and it will start working. Yes, as you can see, the subject and then everything is being generated here, all the emails, and it will be very personalized to the person that you are sending. If you see, the outputs are coming, and every email is different. In this case, the date, the time is written like this, but in this case, if you see, the date and time is written in the same paragraph. So it will be different, and it depends on how detailed the prompt is. So you can add anything in the prompt and get the output in the format you want. So within like minutes, you will have um, emails generated for everything, as you can see here. And it's done. If you see, the emails are generated for all the 10 rows that we had. So yes, this is how it works, and if you want, I will be putting the links to these scripts in the description below, so get it from there and use it however you want to. Okay, see you in the next video.